Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPOR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bloodshed continues on this one, and to give some credit, well, it's not really credit. I mean, at least the bulls tried this morning, that opening 30 minutes. They tried to bounce back upwards, but you can see right where the price got rejected was at that red line that I'd mapped out, the resistance there at 40 cents. So, a valiant effort, but just got absolutely smacked back down on the downside. And now the price has moved all the way down to that green line here, which I talked about in past videos, which is support right there around the 35-cent mark. And 35 cents is basically, let me just add in a bit more context here so you can see. But 35 cents is essentially the all-time lows on this one. And if the price breaks down through 35 cents, I don't know for a fact, I suppose, that this is the all-time lows. But let me put it this way. It's been a long time since the price has been down this low. And if the price just keeps on getting lower, I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say, well, that just makes the chart that much worse. So yeah, the chart already looks really bad. But I mean, if 35 cents cannot hold, then that just makes things look even more bearish. Although, with all that being said, there's also some very interesting potential here, because this one is showing us, let me just squeeze that GPOR. I mean, this thing can make some very nice movements. I mean, came down here, consolidated, and then, I mean, check out that movement. Very solid. Now, am I saying that some sort of big movement like that is going to happen again? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying the potential is there. This thing has illustrated in the past the ability to move big, and when it's sitting down here around this level of support, maybe, just maybe, some sort of bounce might be getting ready to take place. Does that mean a bounce is for sure going to happen? Absolutely not. My point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to be having that, you know what, maybe some sort of bounce might be getting ready to take place, because basically all the price did all day was go sideways at that support. So maybe it'll bounce, and if it does, again, we started at 40 cents and we'll end at 40 cents. That's going to be that main level of resistance that needs to be broken above. But yeah, as of right now, things look interesting, but also very dangerous. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.